We've got guys that can talk to people on their computers, look at what's going on in a factory in Peru, and they're sitting here in Northeast Kansas. I mean, a small town. That's what's amazing, that you can be an international company and you don't have to be in New York or Los Angeles or anything like that. It can be right here.
We really are looking for that sets of skills from different teachers, different schools, emphasize different things in their educational system. So when we bring them in, we have a variety of viewpoints to look at it.
So I went to the University of Kansas, majored in chemical engineering.
I went to Kansas State University and I have a degree in mechanical engineering.
I went to the University of Kansas and I have a communications degree.
I used to be an industrial electrical superintendent for a little over a quarter of a century.
I went to Kansas State University and I majored in chemical engineering.
I'm a mechanical engineer from KU. I chose NorthWind because it's a small company. It gives you the opportunity to grow as a professional and to learn a lot.
You know, you come in and I had trained for a few weeks and then they're like, here we go, you know, like here's a job, let's do it.
I've been to Peru, New Mexico, Indiana, Texas, Florida, kind of all over.
You do a lot of things together and you have a smaller group of people. You get kind of this family atmosphere, togetherness, which is probably what attracts me so much with the small town as well.
It feels like a family because you can easily talk to any employee in the company.
During the career fair, I spoke to Marlene Bosworth, she's the vice president, and they kind of just kick-started from there, went on with the interview process, and now I'm here.
We want to make sure that everything in our employees' lives, to the extent that we can, is good. You know, they have a good place to live and things are going okay. You have to know people in order to make them feel a part of a group of people like this.
Where else am I going to come and be able to listen to music all day in shorts and air conditioning and do what I love to do?
I'm Andreina and I'm a controls engineer.
I'm Beth Taylor and I'm the marketing and administrative manager.
My name is Michael Schulte and I'm a controls engineer.
My name is Dean Folsom and I am an industrial panel technician.
I am Gary Roberts. I am a sales engineer.
My name is Mark Ianalu. I'm a controls engineer here at NorthWind Technical Services.